Once you've used the system, if flow is detected on your runs when no product is running, configure your system to use the high fan noise feature. This is especially prevalent on machines with onboard tanks. You'll need to recalibrate the high fan noise setting whenever product rate, tractor RPM, or fan speed is changed. First, set the tractor engine to the RPM that will be used while seeding. Engage the hydraulics to the fan and set the fan to the RPM that will be used while seeding. Please allow the fan to stabilize for 1 minute. This ensures that the fan and airflow are at the operating speed. Tap the settings icon on the main blockage screen. Without product running, enable the high flow noise switch under flow rate. If you have low or very low selected, your flow rate will be reset to normal when high fan noise is enabled. Tap on Calibrate. Select High Flow Noise Calibration and then tap on Start Calibration when it appears. Tap on Finish Calibration when calibration has been completed.